Hello and welcome to the Fulminati Robotics YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you part 2 of installing Android Studios for your FTC robot. Now, if you've already downloaded the SDK or Software Development Kit from GitHub, then you're going to go ahead and right-click it, click Extract All, and extract the files. However, I've already done that to speed up the process. Next, you're going to open up Android Studio, and you're going to click Open. Now, a quick alert for people who may have done this in the past, and maybe you're coming back here to refresh your memory on how to do this. If you haven't installed Android Studio in about the past 6 months, then you want to go ahead and reinstall Android Studio because there are some special features that Android Studio needs to have, which are in the new updates, in order for the software development kit to work. So you're just going to go ahead and click Open once you've done that. And you're going to locate your file. And so for me, it was in my Downloads folder, and it was under FTC Robot Controller Master 3. And you want to make sure that you click this little Android bug icon, not the folder above it. If you do that, Android Studio will not set up your files correctly, so you want to make sure that you've clicked the Android Studio bug icon. Click OK, and Android Studio will start setting up your app. Now, you'll know it's completed when there's no more bar here on the left side. Now, if your files show up on the left side, like it does here on mine, then you're great. You can stop watching the video, plug in your computer to your control hub to your computer with a USB-C cable, and you're good to go to start programming and get a good season going. But if it does not look like mine, then you're going to want to install a few things, a few more software development kits. So up in the top right here, you're going to click SDK Manager, this little box with a down arrow next to it. And you're going to want to install some SDK platforms. So the first one you're going to want to install is Android 4.4 KitKat, and also Android 4.0 Ice Cream Sandwich. I don't exactly know why you need to do this, but I know that it makes Android Studio work. If you do know why you need to install these specific software development kit tools, then please leave that in the comments below. You're going to click Apply, and Android Studio will start installing those software development kit tools. All right, once that's complete, you're going to go ahead and click Finish. And there you go. Your SDKs have been installed. You're going to click OK. And just to make sure that things are working, you're going to click this elephant with the arrow next to it, which is going to sync your project. It's going to put that little progress bar back there down in the bottom, and things should be working for you. Okay, great. If you still have any errors and Android Studio is not working for you, then please leave a comment in the description below. But otherwise, have a good season.